Hello, dear students. Welcome to my channel Creative Chemistry. Hope you are doing well. Today, I will teach you about isotopes. Let's begin with introduction to isotopes. Like, what are isotopes? Okay, the definition of isotopes is isotopes are atoms with same number of protons but different number of neutrons. What are isotopes? Yes, isotopes are atoms with same number of protons but different number of neutrons, which means that isotopes have same atomic number but different mass number. Atomic number means number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, while mass number means the number of protons plus number of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. So isotopes have same atomic number. Why? Because they have same number of protons. And why they have different mass number? Because they have different number of neutrons. Isotopes are basically different forms of same element. An element is made up of different kinds of atoms or atoms, same kind of atoms, but these atoms can vary or differ in the number of neutrons. So atoms, if they differ in number of neutrons, they are known as isotopes. Next, we will discuss about the types of isotopes. There are two major types of isotopes: stable isotopes and radioactive isotopes. Okay, what are the types of isotopes? Type 1 is stable isotopes and the second type is radioactive isotopes. Now we will discuss about the definitions of stable isotopes and radioactive isotopes. What are stable isotopes? Stable isotopes have stable combination of protons and neutrons, which means that they have stable nuclei because protons and neutrons both are present in the nucleus of an atom. They have stable nuclei. Stable isotopes have stable nuclei, and due to stable nuclei they do not decay. Okay, next type of isotopes is radioisotopes. What? Radioisotopes, as the name indicate, radioisotopes are unstable nuclei because they have unstable combination of protons and neutrons. Due to unstable nuclei, as we know that unstable nuclei emit radiation, certain kinds of radiations, as they are radioactive active isotopes, so they emit certain types of radioactive emissions or radiations, and they also decay and they emit radiations on decaying means splitting up of nuclei or destruction of nuclei. Got it? So we have discussed isotopes, their definition, there's some kinds of differences and similarities with other atoms, and types of isotopes that are stable and radioactive isotopes. Okay, and radioactive isotopes are also known as unstable isotopes. Now we will move towards the importance of isotopes, like what are the applications uses of isotopes in our daily life. Isotopes have variety of applications. They are very useful in our daily life. So let us discuss some of the uses of isotopes. First of all, the isotope of cobalt, that is cobalt 60. Okay, cobalt 60 is used in the treatment of cancer. Okay, so cobalt 60 is important in diagnosis or the treatment of cancer. Next, isotope of sodium, that is Na24. As the normal sodium has atomic mass 23, so as it is isotope, so it is its atomic mass is 24. Sodium isotope is used to diagnose clots in the circulation of blood, as well as they are also important to detect and study or analyze the circulation of blood or blood circulatory system. Uranium isotope. The symbol of uranium is U. Uranium isotope 235 is used in nuclear reactors to produce nuclear energy. So, nuclear isotopes, uranium is also known as nuclear isotope. It is used in nuclear reactors to produce nuclear energy. So, nuclear energy is used to run the nuclear reactors. Next is carbon 14. Carbon 14 is used in radioactive dating. It is used in radioactive dating to find the ages of fossils. Okay, So carbon 14 is also important because it is used in radioactive dating to find the age of fossils. Next is iodine 31 131. Okay, iodine 131 is isotope of iodine which is used to diagnose, analyze or study the brain tumors and as well as activity of thyroid glands. These are some of the uses or importance of isotopes. That are cobalt 60, which is used in the treatment of cancer. Sodium isotope Na24 is used to detect clots in the circulation of blood. Uranium 235, which is used in nuclear reactors to produce the nuclear energy. And carbon 14, which is used in radioactive dating to find the age of fossils. And iodine 131, which is used to diagnose brain tumors and activity of thyroid glands. After discussing the importance of isotopes, we will discuss isotopes with example. We are having example of isotope, the isotopes of hydrogen. Okay, isotopes of hydrogen. There are three isotopes of hydrogen. How many isotopes of hydrogen? Yes, there are three isotopes of hydrogen, that are protium, deuterium and tritium. First of all, let's discuss about protium. The symbol of protium is H, as hydrogen is denoted by H. It has atomic number 1 and mass number 1. Atomic number tell us about the number of protons and mass number tell us about the number of protons plus number of neutrons. So as the symbol indicates, the protium has one electron and one proton. How many proton electron? Yes, as number of protons electrons are equal, so protium has one proton and one electron, but it has zero neutrons. Next example isotope of hydrogen is deuterium. Deuterium symbol is H2 and 1, which means it has atomic mass 2 and atomic number 1. It has one proton and one electron, while it has one neutron, because 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. As we know that number of neutrons are calculated by subtracting atomic number from mass number. So it has one neutron, one proton and one electron. The third isotope of hydrogen is tritium. Tritium symbol is hydrogen 3 and 1, which means it has one proton and one proton and one electron, while it has two neutrons. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Yes, it has two neutrons. Okay, now we will revise the above lecture that I have delivered today. In today's lecture, we have discussed about definition of isotopes, which are atoms with same atomic number but different mass number. Types of isotopes: stable and radioactive isotopes. Stable are those isotopes that have stable nuclei and that do not decay, and radioactives are unstable isotopes which decay. Next, we have discussed the importance of isotopes. We have numerous isotopes that are used for different purposes, medicinal purposes, and we have also discussed the example of isotope by taking the example of isotopes of hydrogen. That was today's lecture. Hope you have understood well, and if you have any queries or questions, you are free to ask in the comment section. If you want to learn more about chemistry, more topics or any topic, you could tell me in the comment section and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye and take care.